Hey friends, my name is Abhay, and in this video, I have analyzed two previous papers for IT officer. One is IBPS IT officer mains exam, and other is PFRDA IT officer mains exam professional knowledge. So there were some requests like please analyze and put some lights on the coverage of various topic in various papers. So this is part one. I have come up with two papers here, and I will prepare another parts if I will get more previous year papers. So let's proceed. So here we have. So first one is PFRDA Grade A IT Officer exam. So purposely I have given this weightage for PFRDA because we have CB Grade A also coming, and CB Grade A is having same syllabus as of PFRDA Grade A. In regulatory body exams, they have some predefined syllabus. So broadly, I have listed down the syllabus. So we can see here, more weightage is having of DBMS. After that, computer network threat security cryptography. Then data analytics language, Python and R, programming and data structure. So if we want to cover more, we should focus on these topic in very deep manner. For regulatory body exams, this data analytics, Python and R, these are having a very good weightage. So whoever is preparing for SEBI Grade A IT, it is good that you should start preparing for Python and R from now itself. And in IBPS SO IT exam, they don't have any predefined syllabus, they can ask anything. But what I have observed, they don't ask this shell programming and data analytics languages. So I have broadly divided these topics in 7 subtopics. So this is very old pattern, 2016 pattern. At that time there were 50 questions in IBPS SOIT. So here we can see mostly coverage is from computer networks and DBMS. As I have already said to you, these two topics will be given 40 to 50 percentage weightage. And these topics are very small. Operating system is having 6 percentage weightage already in 2016, but nowadays I am seeing there are more questions coming from operating system. And in other topics, we have few questions from there. Others will having MS Office, hardware, printer, number systems, these kind of topics. Software engineering and testing, we had 4 questions, and programming concept, we had 7 questions. So for IBPS SOIT, you should start preparing from computer networks, as I have mentioned in other videos also. Computer network, DBMS, operating system, programming concept, data structure, and all these topics. So this is the analysis for these two paper. I will come up with other analysis also. Till then, keep watching. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.